The world of cybersecurity is changing. AI is rapidly becoming a key player. It presents both opportunities and challenges. AI bolsters defenses but can be exploited. This duality makes AI a double-edged sword. AI offers a wide range of benefits for cybersecurity professionals. One key area is threat detection. Traditional security systems often struggle to keep pace with the sheer volume of data generated today. AI excels in analyzing large data sets, identifying patterns and anomalies that might indicate a cyber attack. AI can also enhance digital forensics. It can analyze digital evidence more quickly and accurately than humans. This helps investigators understand the scope of a breach and identify the perpetrators. AI can also be used to automate vulnerability assessment. By scanning systems and networks, AI can identify weaknesses that attackers could exploit. This proactive approach helps organizations strengthen their defenses and prevent attacks before they occur. Beyond these specific applications, AI is also transforming the way security operations centers function. By automating tasks and providing real-time insights, AI empowers security analysts to work more efficiently and effectively. This is crucial in a field where every second counts. Despite its potential, the integration of AI and cybersecurity is not without risks. One significant concern is privacy. AI systems often require access to vast amounts of data, which may include sensitive personal information. Ensuring the responsible and ethical use of this data is paramount. Another risk is the potential for misuse by attackers. As AI technology becomes more accessible, it's crucial to anticipate how it might be used for malicious purposes. This includes developing countermeasures and safeguards to mitigate the risks posed by AI-powered attacks. The rapid pace of AI evolution also presents challenges. The field is constantly changing, with new algorithms and techniques emerging all the time. This requires cybersecurity professionals to engage in continuous learning to stay ahead of the curve. Failure to do so could leave organizations vulnerable to attacks that exploit the latest AI advancements. Finally, there's the risk of becoming overly reliant on AI. While AI can be a powerful tool, it's not a silver bullet. It's essential to have skilled human analysts who can interpret AI's findings, make informed decisions, and respond effectively to threats. The growing importance of AI in cybersecurity underscores the need for skilled professionals. Unfortunately, there's a significant skills gap in this area. Traditional cybersecurity education often lags behind the rapid pace of technological advancement. This highlights the importance of specialized training programs focused on AI and its applications in cybersecurity. Organizations like the SANS Institute are leading the way in this field. They offer courses specifically designed to equip cybersecurity professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively utilize AI. These programs cover topics such as machine learning, data analysis, and AI-powered threat detection. Investing in AI education and training is not just beneficial, it's essential. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into cybersecurity operations, organizations need to ensure their teams have the expertise to leverage its potential while mitigating its risks. The future of cybersecurity depends on a workforce that is well versed in the power and complexities of AI.